Aloha, good morning. This is Caron Davis of Caron Realty International, and trust you've had a wonderful week. I know here in Honolulu we've been dealing with some rain and some wind, but hopefully we'll see those blue skies out soon here shortly. Anyway, another month just popped by, and here we are, July 8th today. Unbelievable how fast the year's going. But today we're going to go with some statistics of the market, and I know everybody's quite interested with how the real estate market's going because, we have interest rates that have taken quite a large hike, and then with worldwide, events and the inflation and words of inflation, recession, interest rates going up. It's like, where is the market today and where are we going? So hopefully I'll be able to give you some insight into the luxury market here today. Let me just share my screen. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so some of the exciting news from last month was some of the highest solds, of course. We always talk about those each month, and single family home, as you can see, sold a little under 24 million, and that home was two homes on one very large lot, 20,000 square feet of land, and they were two exquisite modern homes that's very in fashion, or very in vogue, as they say, people looking for that beautiful modern home that has warmth and very sleek interiors. And certainly the buyer was purchasing two exquisite homes, and they were CEOs of a venture capital firm and a software company. So very happy to see that. And each home was a 4-bedroom, 5-bath home with around either 3,800 square feet or a little over 4,200 square feet. So wonderful compound that people are looking for these days. And as far as the condominium high sales was in Park Lane. Park Lane has had incredible record-breaking prices over the last year or two. And this was a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath condo with a little under 3,000 square feet of living, and it sold for $6,950,000. And that was on the market for about 112 days on the market, and eventually sold to a Japanese investor. They described this property as a 4-bedroom sky residence situated on the 7th floor, direct ocean views and the lush landscaping, and a single family home feel, truly indoor-outdoor living. And of course, the benefits of not having to do all the maintenance yourself and being in a beautiful community like Park Lane. And just going back to the single family home, just to let you know, that home was in Larnaca, like I mentioned, and there's only, if we take the windward side of oceanfront homes right now, there's only about 4 homes on the market on the windward side for oceanfront. Unbelievable. So, we go into supply and demand, and so the supply of oceanfront homes is it's non-existent on the windward side right now. So as soon as one of these homes comes on the market, it generally sells straight away. And with this home that sold for a little under 24 million, it pretty much sold before it came on the market. And that's what we do as brokers, is if we have a client who's very interested in a certain area, a certain quality of home, and we know the inventory out there, through our networking, we're able to find the property for our clients even before it comes on the market sometimes. And you'll see, brokers who've been in the business many years like myself, it's good to keep that good rapport with other brokers out there in times of where we're looking for a client and trying to figure out what's going on in the market, of course, too. If we go into the statistics of the market for the single family home, the median price pretty much stayed about the same, $2,375,000. The amount of solds was 56 sales for the luxury market last month, a little less than 2021 for June, but not a lot less. Days on the market was less, 32 days on the market than 2021 for single family homes. And the price per square foot, if we look at the solds for June 2022 versus June 2021, there was a 20% increase in the price per square foot. And of course, with the cost of building between now and even a year ago, it's probably a 30% increase in building costs. So we're starting to see this price per square foot in resales go up as well. The condominiums, again, the median price was about a 12.5% decrease actually from 2021. It's 2,231,000, and a year ago it was 2,550,000. But of course, that can be reflective if there was a lot of super higher end condos. And I believe last year we had a lot of condos selling 5-6 million, and it's those. So those statistics, we'd have to look at the detail to see really what the median price is doing. Days on the market was about the same, a little slower for June 2022 versus June 2021, but relatively the same. And the listing to sold ratio is it was 93.6% for last month versus 2021, which was 97%. The percentage sold at above or asking was nothing sold at above or asking, but back in 2021, 24% of the property sold did. And I'm definitely finding, condominiums are selling, the inventory's down. However, they're taking a little longer to sell right now. We have a luxury condo on the market right now, and it's very difficult when you have a building that doesn't allow brokers open or open houses. So we have to get very inventive with our marketing, but we're able to secure about 3 to 4 showings a week. But unfortunately, when only 6 months ago, we probably could have had 3 showings a day. So seeing a little slight change in the market, but I believe that's for the short term. The long term, I believe it's very strong because of the shortage of beautiful condominiums out there right now. So if we go to the graph where I've showed you sales volume, it shows the sales volume for single family staying relatively high last month. And that was the highest sale I mentioned in Lanikai for a single family home. Condominium sales, again, you can see last year, June, July 2021, that probably experienced the most sales. And we're hovering, 16, 15 sales of luxury condos for the month right now. That's a picture of the high-end Park Lane 4-bedroom that sold for 6.95 million last month. And on that note, we will now go to Marianne's photos. And what she names this is a beautiful saying is to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Beautifully put. And here's some beautiful flower photography she had done this week, and she labels this: the many shades of lavender of the architecturally crowned flower is said to be a favorite of Queen Liliuokalani. And then, of course, the shrub here that I had up before, the many colored leaves is a real eye catcher. And bubbles make everything better and add a bit of whimsy to a beautiful summer sunset sky, she mentions. And of course, happy Aloha Friday. So on that note, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for joining us again today, and feel free to reach out with any questions, and we certainly can help you navigate the new market right now. Aloha.